In the previous video, I have shown you one picture of the activity. That same activity you have to do now. How to do that I am going to explain you. This activity is based on a plus b whole square, that is first identity, which already I have explained you. Here, this square I have drawn of 8 units. These 8 units are splitted into two numbers, that is 5 and 3. That means you know that the sum of 5 and 3 is 8. Here we are having a square of 5 units and another square of 3 units. You just see these two are the squares and another two figures are rectangle. In this rectangle also its length is 5 units and breadth is 3 units. Okay, now how to color it I will explain you. What to do further, that I am going to explain you. In this manner, if we have colored one square, that is with the red color and another with yellow color, okay, you can see all these figures clearly. This is 5 plus 3, 8 units. Okay, this square is of 5 by 5, this square is of 3 by 3. Now you know this identity a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In place of a we have taken 5, in place of b we have taken 3. Now when according to this identity, when I have substituted a and b respectively with 5 and 3, you just see in place of a square we will get now 5 square, 2ab that is 2 into 5 into 3 and b square that is 3 square. You know 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we have got here 30. And when we get the sum of these three numbers, which is equal to 64 square units. Actually when we count these all the square, it will be 64. These are 64 square units. And here also you know that this line segment is of 8 centimeter, which is split into two parts, that is 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 square. 5 plus 3 you know 8, and you also know that 8 square is 64. In this manner this is verified. So in this manner we can use this identity in various places. Okay, thank you.